Up. Come on. Up.
Oh, towards you?
Yeah. Bit up.
Up.
Move on. More. Yes. Just keep your both hands. Yeah. Okay. Breathe in. Out. Okay. Turn around on your belly. Okay. Right. Just breathe out your hand pushing. Down. Turn. Just move down a bit and up. Just leave your leg down. Yes. Can you do your head this side? Relax. Relax. Yeah. Come. So, check it out.
So much better.
So, how is it?
I think you even helped my shoulder. It's like the neck, the back, it all just feels so good.
So good?
So good. Thank you.